Today I will show you how to make a soothing cup of Echinacea tea and save seeds for the next season. Echinacea, also known as the cornflower, is a powerful herb known as its immunity boosting property. For a century, it has been to help support the body, especially during the cold and flu season. To start, let's harvest the flower and seeds. Look for the flower that are fully open but not faded. They are perfect for tea. For seeds, allow the flower head to dry on the plant until they turn brown. Then snip them off and set them aside. Harvesting at the right time ensure the best quality of tea and viable seed for planting. When making tea, I like to use fresh Echinacea flower petals and leaves from the garden. If you don't have fresh flowers, dry Echinacea work just as well. With the ingredient ready, I'm simply place the petal and the leaves in a cup or teapot. Then I pour hot water over them and let them steam for about 10 minutes. This allows all those beneficial compounds to release into the tea. Echinacea had an earthy flavor. You can add a touch of honey or slice of lemon if you like. Now let's talk about seed saving. Take the dry flower head into the jar with lid and shake it, or use a fork to rub the dry flowers to help separate the seeds. When handling dry Echinacea seed head, it is a good idea to wear gloves. The spiky bracts around the seeds can be sharp and may irritate your skin. The seeds are small, dark brown or black, and have an elongated shape with the pointed tip. To identify viable seeds, look for the ones that are firm and well formed. Avoid seeds that are hollow, broken, or too light, as these may not germinate. When you collect the seeds, separate them from the shaft using the fine mesh, or gently blow away the lighter material. Store the seeds in the label envelope or jar and keep them in a cool, dry place until you're ready to plant. There is something magical about growing your own plants and turn them into something useful, from a soothing cup of tea to seed for the next year garden. Echinacea is truly a gift that keeps on giving. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comment and share your Echinacea experience. Thanks for watching and happy gardening.